good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is, man. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, holding me down, showing me support. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. You dig me? We get it down here, man. Freestyle cooking, great recipes, dope meals. Try them out. Let's do it. All right. So today, y'all, I'm bringing y'all in with me to do a real simple, easy recipe, man. Had the grill going. Decided I wanted to make a seafood salad. Okay, real easy. You know, kind of my little flow on it. Got me some shrimp right here. Got me some imitation crab meat. Now, mind you, you could use real crab if you want, but normally if you're making a seafood salad, you're making for a lot of people. So it's kind of like inexpensive just to get the imitation crab meat. Most seafood salads call for the imitation crab meat, but you want to go fresh with the, the crab meat, the real crab meat, go in. And I got me some salmon cubes that I get from my market, already cut up like that, which I'm going to also add to the seafood salad. And basically, man, just share my seafood salad with y'all that y'all might want to try out or might want to switch up from your normal seafood salad. Dig me? So these are the main ingredients. Let's get it. All right, now after you got your shrimp peeled, deveined, clean, all your seafood ready, boom, you want to go ahead and get a shallot and some celery, which I'm about to cut up real quick. All right, after I knock out my celery, onto the shallots. Next, I got me some leftover pieces of bell pepper. I'm gonna also add to that. Get this chopped up. I'm telling you, y'all, this is a real simple recipe, and you can make it your own too. You can kind of add what you want to it. You know, a basic seafood salad is just the seafood and your dressing and celery and shallots, basically, or onion if you don't have no shallots. But you know, add a little bit of flavor to mine. All right. Now that I got my celery, pepper, and shallot chopped up, I want to go ahead and sit to the side, get my pan out. Let's do it. All right, once you got your pan out, adding me a little bit of oil to it. Any kind of oil is fine because we're just going to do the shrimp and salmon real quick. All right, want to get it nice and hot. All right, pan nice and hot. Go ahead and get my shrimp in. These are large shrimp, so they'll cook pretty fast. And you just want to cook them so they, they turn pink. All right. And I'm using about a pound. I'm not making a real super big salad, so the measurements would go accordingly to how much you're cooking for. But I'm just making a little small batch for me and my family. And as you can see, it's coming along pretty quick, real fast. You see I'm starting to curl up. Not going to season it right now at this point because I'm going to season everything together. Okay, when we start to put the salad together. Yeah, and look at that, y'all. I told you fast. Already done. Get it up out the pot. All right. There we go. Add a little bit more oil. A little bit more, not too much. I'm only doing the salmon cubes. Turn my heat up a little bit more to a high. I'm gonna get my salmon in there. We're gonna, and they're just small cubes, so you only gotta sear them maybe about 2 minutes. Okay, on each side. All right, on a high heat. Okay. Okay, salmon is loaded up. Alright, I just want to go ahead and rock with it like just about 2 minutes, man. These are small pieces. Don't take that long. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Smelling good. Nothing like fresh seafood smell. That's why we're gonna season it all together in the bowl. But yeah, look at that. Nice good color on that. Right, so now, once you get the salmon done, you go ahead and get a bowl. Now you want to mix everything together. So you want to mix the imitation crab meat. You want to mix your shrimp. You want to chop your salmon up a little bit, and you really want it well done so that it can really flake up nice. Then you add in your celery, your shallots, and the peppers. All right, and you see I got this massive bowl, so I need that room because I like the big chunks of it all. Get it all mixed in. Once you get that mixed well, you're gonna set this to the side. Get ready for the dressing. All right, so I got the bowl out. We're about to hit the dressing. If you're making a lot, obviously the measurements will be different, but I'm only making a small batch, so I'm gonna use about a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. Oh yeah, get the mayonnaise in there. Maybe about a couple tablespoons. That's all I'm doing. Ain't nothing wrong with a little extra dressing. I'm gonna also add a little bit of pickle juice that I have here. Give a little bit of acidity to it. Yeah, maybe about a tablespoon of that. Boom. Here we go with a secret ingredient. I'm using 1,000 Island dressing. Alright, so I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of that in there. Oh yeah. Alright, next I'm going to put a little bit of about a teaspoon of smoked onion powder. You can put regular onion powder if you don't got the smoke, but I get it from this specialty place that be popping. Gotta try it. I'm also going to add some smoked garlic powder. Alright, about a teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. About a quarter teaspoon. That's it. And I'm also add some smoked sea salt. I should have put that in first. You know, salt and pepper. You know how it go, but it don't ever really make a difference to me. All right, about a teaspoon of that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up and get it mixed up real good. This is gonna be our dressing. Alright, so now I'm going to mix my dressing in with the rest of the ingredients in my salad. Now, I actually wanted some fresh dill. I went to the market and they didn't have it. That's why you got to always go to like multiple markets, because one market don't, your favorite market ain't going to have everything you want. So I got some dry dill. The fresh dill would have been more like potent, but I'm going with what I got. So I'm gonna do about maybe 3 teaspoons just to give me that extra punch that the fresh dill would have gave me. Dry dill is good, trust me, but for this I wanted it to be really banging. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix it up. Oh yeah. Alright, we right there, got it all mixed up. Now I'm gonna go ahead, this is optional, but this is what I like. I'm gonna add a couple dashes of hot sauce to this. That's gonna kick it up an extra notch. Look at that. Definitely the right way to go. And it's nice and chunky too. Boom! There we go, y'all. We got the seafood salad ready to go, man. I told you, you could use the real crab meat. That would definitely take it up another level, but when you're cooking for a lot of people, the imitation is just a lot more cheaper, simpler, ready to go. Got the shrimp in there, got the celery in there, got the shallots in there. You know I added the peppers. That's my twist. Little hot sauce, dressing. There we go, man. Alright, so please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest recipe videos. Try it out. Let me know what you think. You know what I mean? Holla at me if you want me to try any recipes that you have in mind. And you already know what I'm about to do with this. Holla.